Okay, go ahead. Oh, what is it? That's giant. Oh, I think it's still alive. Is it?
No. So your YouTube is all about bugs now?
I think so.
You found your calling?
If it bring me some money.
Okay, so you gotta get Dr. Pepper, noodles, earrings, plus Cristal, and
Oh, look at the-
Avocet again.
You can see the teeth.
The teeth.
Yeah. You can see the teeth.